in London because this doesn't fit. These smaller ones don't fit either. These don't fit. This doesn't fit. They don't fit in the hole. We've all been there. Give me that. We've all been
Just
there.
lock the door. You know?
What do you do? What do you do? You just put it through, and now it's locked. Now it's locked. I bet you that's not locked. Cause wait, oh,
It crashed out too early.
oh.
Yeah, you messed up. You messed up. You messed up.
Well,
Yeah.
what? So you put and then you pull.
Yeah.
I overreacted, guys. I'm sorry. It's
Apology not accepted, bro. You should do better. You know, crashing out too early.
It's a great country.